In the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to make a white chocolate fudge recipe. But before we dive into this delightful recipe, let me share a little secret with you. Did you know that this fudge can also be used as an amazing icing for your cakes? That's right. So stay till the end of this video to know that little secret. I'm sure you don't want to miss it. Now let's get started on making this irresistible fudge. All you need is just 1 tablespoon of salted butter, about 100 grams of condensed milk, and about 90 grams of white chocolate. Now I'm using white compound chocolate over here, but you can also use couverture chocolate or pure chocolate for this recipe. And if you are using couverture chocolate, remember there is no need to temper it. You can put it directly into the pan for melting. Let me know in the comment box which chocolate do you prefer to use in your cake recipes. And also let me know if you would like to know the difference between the two types of chocolate by typing chocolate in the comment box. I would be so happy to help you. Finally, you just have to simply melt these three ingredients together in a pan until it becomes smooth and creamy. While cooking or baking anything in my kitchen, I always pay attention to the temperature. Because when you cook or bake things at a low temperature, you end up getting perfect texture every single time. Try it and let me know. And since Holi festival is coming, I have also added some roasted pistachios and a thandai masala, which is a unique spice which is so famous during Holi festival. Can you see? Absolutely divine. Now once our fudge mixture is ready, pour it into the lined baking tray and pop it into the fridge to set for minimum of 6 to 8 hours. You can even set this overnight. And you know what? You have got yourself some mouth-watering fudge ready to be enjoyed. But let me tell you, even without setting this, you can use this fudge for your cakes. That's right. The runny consistency of this fudge makes it so perfect for drizzling over your travel cakes, cupcakes, or you can even use this as a decadent layer between your delicious bakery style cake tiers. In fact, I have a thandai bread recipe already uploaded on my channel, and you can use this white chocolate fudge icing on that and make a classic thandai travel cake. And you can sell it from your home bakery as a premium cake or a bestseller cake. Type thandai cake in the comment box and I will share the link of that recipe with you all. Use this recipe as a perfect hamper recipe or a complimentary dish while selling your cakes from home. This way your customers will be so delighted to the kind of unique products you offer from your home bakery. Now in my previous video, I got many comments from lovely viewers asking if they can start a bakery business from home. So let me address that query here in this video. If you are looking to increase your cake orders and take your home bakery business to the next level, I've got some valuable tips for you. Consider joining a professional coaching program like my Super Baker program, where you can learn everything from mastering cake recipes to starting and growing your very own home bakery business. It is possible in just 30 days. Because with expert guidance and support, you will be equipped with the knowledge and the skills to turn your passion for baking into a successful and profitable venture. So take the first step towards achieving your bakery business dreams today. Comment home bakery and I will share the link of my free webinar on how to start a home bakery business in 30 days to help you achieve your dreams faster. And as far as this fudge recipe is concerned, our white chocolate fudge recipe is absolutely ready. Cut it and serve it as required. Indulge in beautiful packaging and scale your orders with such unique products from your very own home bakery. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Do like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes and baking tips. And keep asking your questions in the comment box and I will try to address them in the comments or through these tutorials. Always there to serve you. Keep smiling, keep spreading lot of joys and happiness from your own home bakery. Happy baking!